Hi friends, I thought I'd share with you my recent purchase, Black Friday and all. And we're talking about keyboards, and I thought, hey, maybe I'd like to have one, right? Nice clicky keyboard. So we talked about Keychron, and I went and found out about it on the net, and I thought, hey, it might be interesting. So I thought I'd check out what it's all about. And well, I went out and I actually bought one. There was a discount on Black Friday, so here I am. Now I'm just gonna share with you a little bit about it now. You can see what it is here. So that's the Keychron. Very nice K3. It's a little wireless keyboard, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like on the inside, right? Okay, so the box is like this. There was a shrink wrap on it, but I've cut that away. So it comes very nicely packed. There is a little instruction sheet, tells you what to do with it, and it works for both Mac and Windows. So it comes with a set of extra keycaps that work with Windows, that have all the Windows icons in it. Well, I use a Mac, so you can probably see it here, and that's why I've left the Mac keys on it. Well, it comes with its own charge cable and a couple of interesting tools, because the keycaps can be changed, right? But I'll get to that in a minute. Okay, so here it is, the keyboard itself, nicely wrapped and well protected. Put this away. Here it is. Okay, although I've actually opened this earlier, but I've not connected it to my computer, so hopefully we can get it connected in a while and get it to work. It's got two little legs behind, so you can incline it a little, and it sits quite nicely there. Quite comfortable typing position, I might. These Keychrons come with different hardness of the keys and whether they make a clicky sound or not. So what I have is I have done a mix of keys. These are the brown key switches, and they don't make much of a sound, although you get a nice tactile feel to it. Now I've replaced the bottom ones with the orange keys, orange key switches, and I'm not sure if you can hear, they do make a more clicky sound. So I actually have the switches right here, and there's a brown one. You can see it looks like this. That's a brown switch, and the orange switch is right here. These are the orange switches, right? So if you want to listen to them, I could try and put them up next to the mic and see if you can hear them. I don't think you can even hear them. This one I'm pretty sure you can, right? Two little tools I mentioned earlier. This one here. Well, there are no instructions that came with it, but I kind of figured it out, right? So this is for when you want to remove the keycaps. And this one is for when you remove the switch itself. It's really quite interesting. I'll just show you how I did one, and then I can add in the video of how I switched, or rather a whole row, in fact all these inner ones, right? Try and zoom in here so that you can see what goes on. Okay, I'm just gonna try and change out this one here. Okay, in this tool you can remove the cap top. Just pull it gently. The top should come off, and there's your keycap, and you can see down there is the brown switch. Now the switches have a little hook thing there, and they orientate this way. This is up, yeah? So you need to get your tool to kind of pinch on the ledge here, and that should get it out. So I'm just gonna give it a go here. They go this way. And there we go. It's out. Okay. And then you can quite easily replace it with your orange switch. Just press it in and replace the cap. That's all it is. And then you get this nice clicky sounding key. Okay, now I'm gonna try and hook it up and connect it to my computer, and let's see if it will actually be able to connect. Okay, I'm gonna go to my Bluetooth. There is a switch here that says Bluetooth, and look at the colors on this thing. Okay, I'll play with that later, and we'll see how we can actually connect it up via Bluetooth, right? Okay, so to connect up with Bluetooth, what you need to do is you press a function key and 1, hold it down for 4 seconds, and you will see the Keychron K3 appears here. Let me try and connect. And voila, it seems to say it's connected. That's cool. So I'm gonna try typing something out here. Let me try to type. Yes, very nice. And you should watch this glowing as I type. Isn't that cool? It glows every time you type. And there we go. I must say it's quite enjoyable typing on it, but not so noisy. I think I'm quite happy with this. It works very well, and I must say it does have a nice clicky feel to it, and it looks fun, and it makes the right kind of noise. So I guess I'm gonna enjoy it, and we'll see you next time.